Several days before Winter Storm Landon visited Plano, our communications team used social media to remind residents how to prepare. We shared resources they might need if the storm became more severe than expected. As Landon approached Plano, the city mobilized. Crews began loading a mixture of sand and salt into their trucks. The trucks then hit the roads, first focusing on bridges, overpasses, and intersections. The city manager activated the Emergency Operations Center. Encore requested and received a small army of crews and trucks from power companies in Georgia and Alabama, ready at a moment's notice to repair downed lines. First, the rains came. In the early morning hours, the rain turned into freezing rain, sleet, and finally snow. It left a blanket of ice on just about every outdoor surface: roads, parking lots, cars, rooftops, and trees. Large trees and branches began to fall across the city. Public Works sanding crews worked 36 hours straight, attempting to give the few cars on the roads a little more traction on icy, slippery streets. Some employees slept on cots at our service center. It was much the same story for our 911 team at Public Safety Communications. Plano residents heeded the city's advice to stay off the roads. We had very few accidents. Plano firefighters braved the ice and single-digit wind chills to put out a fire. When the ice and snow finally stopped, it gave way to sunshine, revealing deep blue skies, glistening ice, and an array of beautiful images like these. But the danger did not pass. Scores of residents called in about fallen trees and limbs. Several large trees blocked roadways, alleys, and sidewalks. Clearing them became the priority. Crews from our Public Works and Parks departments worked tirelessly in the debris removal effort. Now that Winter Storm Landon is a memory, we want to extend our sincere gratitude to Team Plano for the sacrifice they and their families made to meet the needs of our city. And most of all, we want to thank you, our residents, for your cooperation, patience, and support. Together, we made it through the storm.